no allegation in zero hour, but issue raised has to be taken note. Vandana Chavan ji, kahan hai?
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to raise a very important issue before this House. That is the need to criminalize marital rape. So since decades now, there have been demands from several quarters, several women's organizations, groups, asking that marital rape has to be made a criminal offense. So after the lockdown especially, we have seen that these instances have increased, and in fact, the seriousness also amplified to a great extent. So I feel proud as a woman of this country that after we have been a signatory to the CEDAW, which seeks to eliminate any form of violence against women, we as a country have been a front runner in the whole world to make certain legislations to protect women. We passed the Domestic Violence Act, we passed the Sexual Harassment at Workplace Act, the POCSO Act, and several others. So even after the unfortunate Delhi gang rape, we saw that the government proactively set up a committee in the form of Justice Verma Committee, which came up with recommendations to see what amendments need to be made in the law to give protection to the women. And as a consequence, we passed the Criminal Law Amendment Act in 2013, whereby we widened the definition of rape. So with such a positive approach towards women, why then are we not treating marital rape as an offense? So apart from demands from several quarters, the CEDAW also in 2013 has expressly recommended that the Indian government should criminalize marital rape. Back home, the Justice Verma Committee recommended the same. So more than 100 countries in the world have made marital rape an offense, and we fall only amongst the 36 countries which have not. So I wish to submit that the government argument on several platforms that criminalizing marital rape destabilizes the institution of marriage or would be a tool for the wives to harass their husbands. So this argument is absolutely not palatable. So when a husband beats his wife or subjects her to mental or physical cruelty, it's an offense. So if he forcibly sexually abuses her, does this not amount to an offense? So this is an absurd argument. Sir, I look at you as an extremely sensitive brother and father to those millions of sisters and daughters of our country. I urge you, sir, to direct the government to address this issue, to revisit this issue, and make sure that marital rape is made an offense.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
We have to evolve consensus. It's an important issue. Yeah, right, ma. लिख कर भेज दीजिए जी. डॉक्टर